So, here are 3 steps you can take to attract more of your dream clients without having to be pushy and without having to be everywhere on social media all the time. So, the first is to get really clear on who your dream clients are. And you want to go beyond the demographic. So, not just women aged between 35 and 50 who live in this place and are mums, for example. You want to go deeper. You want to understand what is that conversation going on in their mind? What is the story they're telling themselves that's keeping them stuck? Why do they wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning and can't fall back to sleep because they have this script going around in their mind? And what do they really desire? One of my favorite ways of nailing this down is to imagine that your dream client has just been to the bar with some friends. She's had a couple of drinks and she's got to that stage in the evening where she's, I just wish fill in the blank. What does she just wish were different in her world? I just wish I could just attract more clients without having to be on social media every day. I call it your tipsy statement. So, what do they really desire? What is their tipsy statement? And why is your solution better or different to the other solutions available to them? So there may be a lot of other people in your niche doing the same thing, but they won't have your personality, they won't have your approach, they won't be delivering things quite the way that you do. So think about why you're different or better to other people. And you don't ever want to, in your message, say, I'm different or better to other people, but you want to make that difference clear so your dream clients can see easily why you're the right choice for them. And take some time to get to know your clients and the words they use to describe their problem and the solution that they're looking for. And then you want to take these words and use them because using their own words back to them is going to be the easiest way to relate to them. So you'll find this kind of information on social media when they're talking about their problems. You'll find it in YouTube reviews or book reviews when they've said what they like or don't like. You will find it when you have sales conversations with your ideal clients, or when you're out networking and speaking with them, or when you hear them speaking at conferences. So you want to take some time to listen to your audience, and they will be evolving over time as well. So you want to keep that conversation going over time so that your niche and your messaging is always relevant. And you want to take some time to understand your own value as well. So I've said, like, why are you different or better to the competition? Well, why is that? Take some time to really dig in, look for the evidence, look at the testimonials you've had in the past. What have people said they really love about working with you and your approach? And start to appreciate that. And also look for your stories. Why do you do things the way you do them? What is the philosophy behind your success?